Right. Now in this question, in a vertical U-tube containing a liquid, the two arms are maintained at different temperatures T1 and T2. The liquid columns in two arms have heights L1 and L2 respectively. The coefficient of volume expansion of the liquid is equal to, right, for that, to do this question we need couple of equations. So first equation, let's write down the linear expansion L2 equals, let's say, L1 1 plus alpha delta theta, but here we need the equation volume expansion. So let's write down the same equation, V2 V1 1 plus gamma delta theta. So this is the equation we have to use. So let's get into the diagram first. So here now initially the liquid levels are equal, so that's why it's H and H here. When it is heated to a temperature T2 and T1, then only the heights will change. So what we have to do is we have to apply the volume expansion equation for both arms. So let's apply the values here. So initial volume we can take as cross sectional area A, so AH is the initial volume. So let's apply the equation for left arm. So final volume will be AH2 equals AH1 plus gamma T2, here the temperature is T2 and here T1. So the right arm AH1 equals AH1 plus gamma T2, right? So you can see capital A cancel off. So here I can simplify the two equations in this manner. So here you can see H is common. So I can write H2 equals 1 plus gamma T2. On the same manner, I can write H1 divided by 1 plus gamma T1 again equals H. So I can equalize these two, then I can find a connection between these. So let's write it down first. So here I can write H2 over 1 plus gamma T2 equals H1 over 1 plus gamma T1, right? Right, now we have the equation. Let's simplify it furthermore. So I want to isolate gamma here. So let's do the cross multiplication here. So H2 into 1 plus gamma T1 equals H1 by the 1 plus gamma T2. So let's remove the bracket. So H2 plus, here it has to be L2 and L1, right? My bad. L1, right. So L2 plus L2 gamma T1 equals L1 plus L1 gamma T2. So we take these two, L2 minus L1 equals L1 gamma T2 minus L2 gamma T1. So we can take out gamma value here. So I'm getting L1 T2 minus L2 T1, L2 T1 equals L2 minus L1. So moving into the answer, L2 minus L1 divided by L1 T2 minus L2 T1 equals gamma. So this is our answer. Let's get into the answers. So here, so the answer, it has to be L2 minus L1. So here we don't have L2 minus L1. So yes, it should be, yeah, multiplied by minus, then we get L1 minus L2. Okay, L1 minus L2 and other way around. So L2 minus L2 T1, L2 T1 minus T2 L1. So you can see we get the answer A, first one. Alright students, if you think this is valuable, share it with your friends, and if you have any suggestions or new questions, just comment down there. Study together and win together.